So hello, I'm Stephanie Fitch from Fitchie's FUZZ, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on ear cleaning, just because there's lots of easy things that you can do at home to maintain your puppy's good health. This is Jax. He is going to be our helper for today. I'm just going to do a really quick video because nobody likes watching themselves on video. Before we start, I am not a vet, so do not take this video out of context, nor am I speaking for all groomers because everybody has their own opinions and ways they were taught. Okay, so we're going to go right into it. Hairy ears. This is a schnauzer. He has tons and tons of hair in his ears. Yes. So as you can see, it's fairly hairy, which doesn't really mean there's an issue. So I believe personally that there's a reason for there to be hair in the ear. Really what you're trying to do is make sure that there's airflow and easy access for debris to be removed from the ear. If the hair is all compact down into the ear canal, then debris cannot come out. Makes sense, right? So looking in his ear looks super awesome other than there's a lot of hair. I know you don't love it. Not all dogs love having their ears plucked. However, it's kind of like waxing. The more you do it, the less sensitive you become. Not that I am into waxing. Anyway, so clean ear hair, not a big deal. We just want to make sure that the dirt itself isn't sitting in the ear. So we've got a few things. Ear cleaner you can get at any pet store or your local vet. If you choose to clean it out a little bit, if there's a stink, might be a bacteria, colloidal silver is a really good cleaner. We got some ear powder. Some groomers put the ear powder directly in their ear. What I like to do is pour a little. This doesn't clean it at all. It basically is there for you to grip the hair. It's like chalk dust for mountain climbers. So what we want to do, chalk up our fingers, and I like to pull what comes out. So ears sometimes are a little greasy. Again, they don't love it. I know. Awesome. So really, I'm not going to go to town. I'm just pulling out, can you see that? We're just pulling out a little bit of hair to loosen that up. What you can also do is get a fine-tooth comb, and you can kind of pull the hair from creating like a wad of cotton ball down into his ear canal. So you want to kind of pull it out and create some airflow. Okay, so that's to pull the hair out. It's like a fine powder. Ear cleaners. Okay, we want to, I've already done this to him in the tub, but it's not like a big deal. So you want to pour a little bit down into his ear, and you want to massage the bottom, and it feels really good. They love to get massaged. So what you're doing right now is you're moving that liquid around, and you're loosening up any kind of debris, which he didn't really have any debris. So you got it all loosened up. It might, yes, and then they kind of wiggle around and get the rest out. Also, what you can do, if the whole ear is kind of dirty on the outside, Then you want to just kind of, okay, let's show the camera. You want to just kind of wipe it, just clean it out. What you're really not doing, because you're not a vet, is going down into the ear canal. Very dangerous. Do not do that. So no Q-tips, kind of like a child. Don't stick anything in your ear bigger than your elbow. Don't do it. It's dangerous. Yeah. So cleaning ear, throw it away. Don't use the same cotton ball on the two ears. Use a different cotton ball for every ear, because if they do have an infection in one ear, or a bacteria growth or fungal growth or whatever, or ear mites, what can happen is you're going to transfer it to the other ear. Not a good idea, because then you have two ears that are infected. If you don't want to use cotton balls and you're like super environmentally friendly, taking a little cloth and you're basically using it the same as a cotton ball. And you're wiping away the dirt. We're wiping away the dirt. I know. So wiping away the dirt. When do you want to do this? Okay, when their ears look dirty. Obviously, I'm a big fan of don't fix what's not broken. So if the ear doesn't look dirty, you don't really have to clean it. If the hair looks like it's getting compact down into the ear canal, you want to get the air flow, you want to pull that hair out. That's a good idea. If there's an ear infection, okay, I like to address the external factors first. However, sometimes you do have to go right to the vet because there's an issue. So medication is basically a Band-Aid. And if you want to keep using the Band-Aid and keep using the Band-Aid, that's fine, that's cool. But what you really want to do is check the external factors. And it could just be the dog. The dog could just have problem ears, problem skin, problem whatever. So we want to check food. We want to check your cleaning agents in the house. Environmental factors, as in dogs can even have grass allergies, which is ridiculous. Anyway, so there's lots of things to think about. So you want ear cleaner. You may or may not want this just to pull out, get yourself a little comb that you can just pull some of that hair out of the ear canal. You're doing so awesome, honey. Cotton balls, it's your call. If your dog gets regular dirty hair, ears, clean it as much as you want. It's your call. I'm just looking at my notes. I think that's it. So just to address ear issues, just talk to your vet, talk to your groomer, talk to your person that works at the pet store, find a good product that you like. If you have any questions, please send me a message. I will do what I can. If I don't know it, I will ask somebody else, and if they don't know it, I will ask somebody else. And I'm going to do a few other videos just for some easy home care. So we're starting off with ears. Basically, that's my spiel for today. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.